Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's session, we are going to see how to install Bower using NPM on Rocky Linux 8.6. As websites are made of lot of things like frameworks, libraries, assets, and utilities, Bower manages all of these things. Bower is a package manager for web and dependency management tools that are built by Twitter. Bower oversees the front-end components like HTML, CSS, and JS. It reduces the time and energy you need to spend hunting around the web for libraries like SUSE and jQuery. Bower helps you to install, update, or delete the libraries within a single command. Bower depends on Node.js and NPM. Bower packages sometimes rely on Git, so ensure you install it on your system.
First, I am going to check the installed version of OS. This is Rocky Linux 8.6. Now I am going to install the dependency required for Node.js. Hit enter to continue. Press Y and hit enter to continue. The dependency installation is completed. Now I am going to download the latest Node package manager by using curl command. It will be take 20 seconds. The installation has been completed. Now I am going to install Node.js by using following command. Press Y and hit enter to continue. Again press Y and hit enter. Once the installation has been completed, now I am going to check the node version. Here you can see 10.24 is the node version. Now I am going to check the NPM version. The NPM version is 6.14. Now I am going to install Bower by using NPM command. Hit enter to continue. The installation has been completed. Now I am going to check the Bower version. Here you can see the installed version of Bower is 1.8. By this, the installation of Bower using NPM on Rocky Linux 8.6 is completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.